Shadab because he's a really good player. I love him so much. I told him I love him and to marry me. He just didn't say anything. He's so shy, but I'm not shy. I don't know.
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੰਨੀ ਇਕੱਠੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਦੁਕਾਨ ਪਾਸ ਆ ਗਈ
You know Millie. She's such a big fan of you. She only comes to the cricket games to see you.
I have just trousers.
ये जादू के पटारे में से क्या क्या निकल
Trousers हैं.
She wants trousers. Which one? Do any of them have your name on it or anything?
Trousers how?
I don't know.
I like Shadab because he's a really good player and he gave me his trousers and another pair of trousers and he's really nice and he's super cool and yeah.
And what did he say to you?
Oh, he gave me a shirt and yeah, and his pants and another pair of pants. Yeah.
So it's a great gift from Shadab.
Yes, it was so amazing.
And how much you like him?
I love him so much.
You tell him you love her. Love him.
I told him I love him and to marry me.
What did he say to you?
He just didn't say anything, which is a bit orcs, but it's fine.
You find him a bit shy?
Yes, he's so shy, but I'm not shy, so.
We are Kiwis.
Yeah.
We are Kiwis. We are shy.
मैं अपनी ट्रेन में पहन लूंगा तो आपकी अगर हो आपके पास मुझे शर्ट दे दो वो दोनों ट्राउजर आ गए एक शर्ट दे दो ये शर्ट दे दो प्लीज
मैं वही ढूंढ
वो दोनों कच्चे पहन के फिरेगा
चलो ट्राउजर चाहिए ना येलो और कुछ नहीं है मेरे शर्ट्स नहीं है
It's okay.
नहीं है
Sorry guys, we just like wait for Charlie. Thank you.
गाँव भाई मेरा पापा के ना गला बैठ I could do that. Okay. नाम वाली आंटी नहीं है फोटो
जो भी है दे दे
फोटो बनवाना
It's okay, Miss Trousers. I already have your trousers. I have your whole kit now. But not your
ये तो
pants.
मेरे बेटे के लिए उस्मान इधर ये मेरा बेटा
हम
है इसलिए
फिर तो ट्राउजर भी लेना
थैंक दे दो थैंक यू सो मच बहुत सारे दुआएं आप सबके लिए माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह यू आर माय फेवरेट फ्रॉम डे वन इंशाल्लाह कामयाबी
Where's Hassan? Where's Hassan?
सेंटर थोड़ा इधर हो ना न्यान इधर देख थैंक यू